In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset saved tool options back to default values on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab and then go down and select Preferences. And then on the left panel, you want to select where it says Tool Options. And then on the right side, where it says Reset Saved Tool Options to Default Values, go ahead and select that and then select OK. Select OK, and then you may need to relaunch the GIMP application, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.